Okay, well, in this quick video, I'm just going to show you for any company that is looking to deploy or is already deploying their own continuous improvement program, I'm going to show you a particular system application and series of kind of applications that I have that I've recently acquired that actually might help you in your deployment to make it that much more effective in terms of how you manage it, how you embrace and bring in a lot of your process improvement practitioners and frontline staff. So um, we're calling it My Gamba Improvement Management System. And just really quickly, I'll show you what this tool and system is all about. So in the top left corner here, there's a little menu. If you hover over it, it'll pop up some options here. So if you click on New Opportunity, what this is, and actually I've just got it open here for you, is if you're looking to solicit ideas from your workforce, your frontline staff on things and opportunities, improvement ideas that might be worthwhile management to look at, this is one way to do it, right? So you could type in here or have the person that has access to the system on the front line have the ability to type in the idea for the opportunity that they're trying to fix. So maybe it's, I'll just call it an efficiency improvement on line 3, okay? And let's just call that we're going to call that a time improvement. And you can choose different locations. This is all customizable, but right now I'll leave it blank. You can put in a description of the problem, from my perspective or from the author's perspective. In this case, efficiency issues that need to be addressed on line 3 due to, I don't know, machine downtime. Okay. And they can type in anything they want there, and they can basically submit that idea. And so what happens is once they submit that idea, management can come in here now and start looking at the opportunities at whatever frequency you want and assessing some priority, impact, effort to these ideas, right? So here you go, efficiency improvement on line 3. That's the one that was submitted. I just simply click that button, and now I have the ability to go through this and basically, as a manager, provide more information around that particular opportunity. So on the top right, I can put some level of impact. Okay, so maybe there's a very high impact from a safety, let's say cost. Let's say there's a high impact on cost, and the rest is nothing. Let's say you got management support. It's easy to understand. So again, you can assess how challenging it would be to launch this type of initiative. Okay, with an area to put an annual impact. So let's say it's $80,000 a year savings, and we're obviously reviewing it as we speak. So I'll just hit save changes, and that's it. It's been saved. Now it's going to be in that list for you to review, to launch a project whenever you want from that opportunity. But you'll see that that provides a pretty good intake for ideas and opportunities from your frontline staff. Okay, so the second quick feature I wanted to show you with the improvement management system that we've built here is that you can actually go and launch a new project and also manage a whole list of your projects through this application as well. So if you go click this quick launch of a new project, up comes something that looks almost like a project charter asking for your project title. So let's just call this, efficiency improvement project, I'll say Toronto site, okay? And you can change the different locations. Of course, there's just one right now, but it's customizable. And let's say if it's an efficiency improvement, it's going to be a time improvement. Maybe there's a savings, annual savings of, I don't know, $300,000. We're going to leave it as a lean project. We're going to try to improve. And of course, you can select who's the leader, who is the champion as well. And then below what you have is basically some free text field to describe the problem statement, improvement expectation, process performance, that sort of thing. It's very much customizable. You can edit this and type in here whatever you like, and it'll capture it. And then you just hit launch project, and it'll take a second to basically launch it into the queue where you can start to manage all of your projects. And then once your project has been successfully launched, you get a little note like that. And now it'll exist on your list of projects that you can manage for your whole company, for all of your process practitioners, green belts, black belts, as well as any opportunities that come from them, as well as your frontline staff. And if you want, then of course you can go and manage the project. So when you click on Manage Project, you can see I've got a list of them on here already. I can sort them by, active, on hold, or whatever status I want. And then simply by, hovering over and touching any one of these ones, let's just do a, remote control improvement project. It'll bring up the project and give me a one quick snapshot of the champion, the leader. I can select a mentor if you want, or an executive sponsor, whatever you want. You can put team members' names in here, and basically it gives you a nice little checklist for each of the really for the phases that you're in at the moment. So in this case, you're in the define phase, right? So you can start to say, yeah, I've done all these things, okay? And of course, you can put in keynotes associated with every single project. Again, key deliverables for the measure phase of any project, and so on and so forth. Okay, so pretty nice little project management and reporting tool. And of course, I can save changes or email changes, whatever you like. So for now, I'm just going to save the changes, and then I'm just going to go back to the menu options. Okay, and when I go back to the menu options, again, you can look at doing reports on projects as well. So in this case, when I go to the Project Reports tab, again, this is a nice little feature. You can actually report status and review status by your project leaders. So in this case, it's just me. I'm the only one set up in this demo portal, but you could have multiple practitioners, green belts, black belts, whatever, and see, how many are in which phase, right? And what's the benefits that you're going to drive from that. And you can filter all of these different things by the different types of projects or initiatives you've got going on for your CI deployment. Now, again, it's a really useful tool to help manage your whole overall CI deployment, the savings and improvement opportunities that you're generating from the initiatives, and you can filter on various different things. Now, again, all of this stuff is customizable for your company with branding and all that sort of thing as well. That is also available. So again, just some really nice features that I wish I had back in the day when I was leading some deployments at companies that didn't have these types of tools. So hopefully you found this useful. If you want to learn a little bit more about some of the other features of the improvement management system that we've built and how it works, how to use it, and obviously what it might cost you, I can assure you it's a very affordable platform, but certainly do reach out, and I'm happy to walk you through any questions that you might have.